Welcome to HA Faizan Leatherworks, where nature's finest materials transform into luxury fashion through generations of craftsmanship. For over 3 generations, HA Faizan has set the global standard for premium leather manufacturing, dressing celebrities and royalty worldwide. Each jacket represents 48 hours of meticulous craftsmanship and 127 quality checks.
Our journey begins with ethically sourced premium hides from certified suppliers who share our commitment to quality.
Every shipment undergoes 17-point inspection. Only 25% meets HA Faizan's rigorous standards for luxury jacket production.
HA Faizan's state-of-the-art facility ensures perfect conditions for transforming raw materials into luxury products.
Our skilled team brings decades of experience, ensuring every hide is perfect before manufacturing begins.
HA Faizan's proprietary cleaning technology removes impurities while preserving natural grain patterns.
The first transformation begins as hides prepare for the tanning process that will define their quality.
Precision control conditions ensure consistent results across every batch in our production line.
HA Faizan's advanced systems prepare the leather for its journey to becoming luxury wear.
After cleaning, each piece is re-inspected to ensure it meets our standards for the next stage.
The heart of HA Faizan's manufacturing process begins with our signature tanning technique.
The 24-hour tanning process begins, where raw hides transform into premium HA Faizan leather.
Our computerized systems maintain perfect temperature and rotation for consistent quality throughout the process.
HA Faizan's experienced team oversees every parameter to ensure each batch meets our luxury standards.
Continuous monitoring ensures the tanning achieves HA Faizan's signature softness and durability. After 24 hours, the transformation is complete. Raw hides have become premium HA Faizan leather.
The newly tanned leather prepares for controlled drying that will set its final characteristics.
HA Faizan's climate-controlled drying ensures perfect moisture content for luxury jacket production.
Each piece undergoes visual and tactile inspection before proceeding to finishing processes.
HA Faizan's specialized equipment gently softens the leather while maintaining its structural integrity.
Precision stretching ensures consistent thickness and flexibility across every HA Faizan jacket.
Computer-guided systems verify each piece meets HA Faizan's exact thickness specifications. Every dyed piece is checked for color consistency and depth under specialized lighting.
The premium HA Faizan leather is now ready for the precision cutting process.
HA Faizan's master designers create patterns that combine fashion aesthetics with perfect functionality.
Advanced CAD systems ensure every HA Faizan jacket pattern is precision engineered for perfect fit.
HA Faizan's skilled workers prepare the premium leather for the most critical stage, precision cutting.
The primary jacket components are cut from single pieces of leather to maintain HA Faizan's quality standards. Precision cutting continues.
Smaller components receive the same precision attention, maintaining HA Faizan's commitment to detail.
HA Faizan's systematic approach ensures each jacket's pieces stay together throughout production.
Every cut component undergoes individual inspection before proceeding to assembly.
Our team verifies grain patterns align perfectly across all components of each HA Faizan jacket.
Cut edges are prepared for stitching, ensuring clean lines and professional finish.
Functional elements like pockets receive specialized cutting for perfect integration.
HA Faizan's premium lining materials are cut to complement each leather jacket.
Zippers, buttons, and other hardware are selected to match HA Faizan's luxury standards. All components are now ready for the skilled assembly process that brings HA Faizan jackets to life.
One last quality check ensures every component is perfect before stitching begins.
HA Faizan's master tailors prepare for the detailed assembly process.
Premium threads and supplies are selected to match each jacket's color and style.
Everything is ready for the transformation of individual pieces into HA Faizan luxury jackets.
Master tailors start assembling the primary jacket body with HA Faizan's signature stitching technique.
Sleeves are carefully attached, ensuring perfect mobility and comfort in every HA Faizan jacket. Precision stitching continues.
The collar receives special attention as it defines the jacket's silhouette and style.
Functional pockets are seamlessly integrated, maintaining HA Faizan's clean aesthetic. Premium lining is carefully installed to complement the leather's comfort and durability. High-quality zippers and hardware are precision-fitted to each HA Faizan jacket.
Internal reinforcement stitching. Strategic reinforcements ensure long-term durability while maintaining flexibility. Reinforcement stitching.
Every seam is inspected to ensure it meets HA Faizan's rigorous stitching standards. Completed assemblies are checked for perfect fit and proportion on specialized forms. Additional detailing and reinforcement stitches add to HA Faizan's durability. The HA Faizan logo is carefully attached, marking each jacket with our brand promise. All components come together to create the complete HA Faizan jacket structure. Specialized pressing gives each jacket its final form and professional appearance.
Each assembled jacket undergoes comprehensive inspection before finishing.
Any imperfections are immediately addressed by HA Faizan's quality team. Approved assemblies proceed to the final stages that define HA Faizan's luxury finish. Jackets are prepared for the finishing processes that enhance their appearance.
Specialized treatments enhance the leather's natural beauty and protection. Each treatment is verified for perfect application and consistency.
Comprehensive quality inspection begins. Every HA Faizan jacket undergoes 127 individual quality checks before specialized tools verify every stitch meets HA Faizan's density and strength standards.
Jackets are assessed on specialized forms to ensure perfect fit and comfort.
Under specialized lighting, every jacket's color and finish are verified for consistency.
Approved jackets receive HA Faizan's quality seal, certifying they meet our luxury standards.
Approved jackets move to HA Faizan's premium packaging station.
Custom packaging with HA Faizan branding prepares each jacket for its new owner. Care instructions and authenticity certificates are included with each HA Faizan jacket.
Packages are sealed with HA Faizan's premium closure system.
Finished HA Faizan jackets are systematically organized in our climate-controlled warehouse. Each jacket is logged into HA Faizan's advanced inventory management system.
Orders are prepared for worldwide distribution to HA Faizan's luxury retailers.
Shipping documents and quality certificates are finalized for each shipment.
HA Faizan's organized warehouse stands ready to fulfill global luxury fashion demands.